Hello everyone, this is Peter with GoodEreader.com and another unboxing video. This is the Boox Bluetooth Remote, or the Remotor. I don't know if that was on purpose, but it kind of sounds cool. This is a Bluetooth remote usable with a wide array of devices that hold Bluetooth, and you do have menu, back, contrast, refresh, front light, and screenshot capabilities. We're just going to go over what is all in the box, and have tried taking this out before. The top doesn't open, and the only way to get it out is to slide the bottom out, and it's fairly airtight, so there you go. So once you open it, you get the device itself, but we're going to leave that till the end like we usually do and explore the rest of the box. It is pretty bare bones. You have the little box cover, and you have the user manual. This will tell you how to use it. If you lose your user manual, check this out right here. So go ahead and pause the video at any point in time if you want to read this. Back should be Chinese. Yes, it is. And in this particular case, there is no warranty card. Your warranty card is at the very end here, right there. So we're just going to maybe... Wow, I don't know if I can have the patience to put this all back. Let's see. Oh, actually, it wasn't that bad. You know, like when you unfold a map? Yeah, I kind of just like... I don't know about that. All right, we'll put that off to the side. So here's the device itself. It features a Amazon Fire TV-esque roundabout control, up, down, left, and right with a center button. You also have a kind of more button, a back, contrast, refresh, probably a snapshot, and a light button. And you can see all of these kind of push down like so. And the back is a piano finish top. You see the reflection. And a matte kind of fake leather bottom there. So... for now, this is an unboxing of the Bluetooth Remotor, and this was just to show you everything that comes in the box. We will be doing a full review on this and how it functions with all the devices and which ones it does and doesn't work with. But for now, when you buy this, here are the accessories and everything, and I will note there is a micro USB, but there is no micro USB cable in the box, and that's because a micro USB cable nowadays is about 40 cents. For GoodEreader.com and an unboxing of the Onyx Boox Bluetooth Remote, this is Peter.